Are you ready to dive into the world of digital innovations? Whether you are just starting out or looking to level up your skills, you have come to the right place. Welcome to Mishra's DigiClass. I'm Sanjeev Mishra and I'm thrilled to have you here. At Mishra's DigiClass, we offer comprehensive tutorials on tools like Canva, AI, and some of the best 3D softwares. Our goal is to make digital learning accessible, enjoyable, and very rewarding. You will find step by step guides, expert insights, and some of the best practical tips to help you make the most out of your digital tools. Join our community of like minded learners, tech enthusiasts. Here, you are not just a viewer, you are a part of a happy learning family. With years of experience in tech and digital fields, I am here to help you in every step of the way. I believe in simplifying complex concepts and making learning a very fun and effective. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated for all our videos. Let's embark on this digital journey together. Thank you for joining Mishra's DigiClass. I can't wait to see you in our next videos. So until then, happy learning and tada